If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. As you can see, everything's intact under the hood, no damage to the front end. Really nice, everything's square. The vehicle does start, it does lot drive. Front end is in good shape. It's got some damage to the right side doors. Right rear quarter panel's damaged as well. Rear bumper cover. Really nice car. Got a little bit of damage here. Left rear is damaged. Left rear rim is damaged. Left rear suspension is damaged. We had damage to the dog leg on the quarter panel. Left rear door is damaged. No buckles in the roof. Windshield is okay. Again, it does start, it does drive. Salvage title. Let's take a look inside. Really nice two-tone interior. Manual transmission. Posted on our website soon. Details, pricing, photos. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.